Racing! Put your beads on. You have, you know, a very well-dressed woman never races without her beads on. Hi! I'm racing with you. Go, 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 go! You're on the way? Where are you on the way to?
I'm food.
You're stopping on the train track?
It's your food.
Oh, you're on the way to get my food. Okay, thank you. Is that my dinner? Should I eat it? Is this supposed to be fast food? Hurry, 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 hurry! Hurry, 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 hurry! Oh. Ah! Ah! I found you! Boo!
Let's do it again.
Okay, run, hurry, 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 hurry! Racing, racing! Racing! Oh! Oh, you're gonna sit on the couch now. Are you tired?
No.
You need a pit stop? There she goes. And she's off. Whee! Running, 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 running. What do what on that chair? Oh, you're getting your food? Okay. There she goes. Running, 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 running. Mommy has to decorate the Christmas tree. All right, running, 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 running. Oh, done. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss?
Yeah.
Give me a kiss. Mwah. There she goes. Bye-bye, Erin. See you next time around. Oh, here she comes. Hello. There she goes, racing. Racing, racing. Oh, hi. Hello. You want to look at it? See, you can't see. There's nothing to see there. It's just the couches.